are an essential part of most lean manufacturing strategies. They change the experience of work and profoundly affect the lives of employees or associates. In this video, you will learn about cells and hear from people who work in them every day. These are real people from Green Valley, Missouri, sharing their feelings and experiences. A traditional way of arranging work in a factory or office is by the type of work performed, or function, or process. Thus, we might place all heat treat operations in one area and create a heat treat department. Functional layouts require a great deal of material handling, and this makes them difficult to coordinate and schedule. They create large inventories because of the many piles of parts. Cellular layouts are superior to line and functional layouts in many situations. In ideal cellular layouts, such as this example, small teams of people build a single product. Each team works in a small area and has their efforts. This is another assembly cell. The men and women who work here will share with you their experiences and their feelings. While work cells have many advantages, they are not easy to conceive, design, or understand unless you have actually been through the experience. Cellular manufacturing requires a different method. Here is John Snodgrass, followed by other members of his team, to share the benefits they have experienced in the work cell you have just seen.
Quality's better, and after you've done it for a while, the production comes right back up again. It really works.
It's going to better the company.
All humans have deep emotions about their work, especially those engaged in technical operations like manufacturing.
And with it, they saw that it was a lot better than the old way we used to do it because they're more relaxed. There's a more easygoing atmosphere.
It was a welcome change. After a couple weeks, we got into it a little bit better, and the flow started.
It's exciting. It makes you feel like you've actually done something for the employees themselves.
For Strategos, I'm Sean Smith.
This is Quarterman Lee inviting you to order the full 23-minute version of this remarkable video. From it you will learn about many other topics, such as the problems with assembly lines and why Workcell offer advantages, about one-piece flow and how slowing the pace can actually increase production, why quality improves and what is meant by visual management, why cells improve communication and teamwork, what training contributes. You will hear associates explain what they need from management for success and how adjusting to the new environment is so difficult for everyone. Cellular manufacturing leads to a satisfaction and pride that benefits the company and the employees. This video is a great introduction for both managers and workers. It can jumpstart your cellular and lean manufacturing efforts.